Hey guys, it's NaturallyCha. So I've started to unravel some of my twists because I actually want to redo or touch up the front and like the middle and the sides. So practically half of my head I'm going to retwist. For me, I love to see my scalp. So I'm going to be redoing the twist for that, and I figured while I'm also doing that, I have used 6 packs of the Janet Afro twist hair in order to achieve the style. So what I'm doing is actually removing like a strand or two. I'll show you an example. So this is the hair untwisted, unraveled. And what I'm doing is getting rid of one piece and then just using this. And the reason why I'm doing this is because 1, it'll be lighter. 2, I feel like I don't need that much hair. And 3, it'll be easier for the next time I decide to retouch my twist up. It'll be, I'm going to be using a different method. So I've unraveled a good amount of the hair, and I wanted to actually keep one to show you guys. As I unravel it, sometimes the hair will mat or tangle in itself. And I'm not sure if you can see that. I'm going to try to put my finger there so you can see that sometimes this will happen. So what I will do, keep a pair of scissors, and then just cut. How do I know if I'm cutting my own hair? I don't. I'm totally kidding. Because I've done like the majority of this, I've unraveled or untwisted, I've been able to tell where my hair is versus where the Marley hair is. As I get closer to where my hair is, I can actually feel a difference. With my hair, I can just unravel. And sometimes there'll be like a strand or two of the Marley hair that actually, you know, tries to mat within itself, but not necessarily with my hair. So as I get to my hair, do you see that? I can just go. That's how I'm able to tell what's my hair and what's not when I'm cutting it or just dealing with it. And again, I feel like it's because I know my hair. I basically took out some of the hair already for certain parts, like this one, and then I'd skip another one. And the reason why I did that, and it's time to redo the twist like now, it's just easy to just go boom, boom, boom. The back that I have that I will not be redoing, I just put a hair tie just to separate that from the rest of them. And the reason why I'm not redoing those is because no one's gonna see them. I don't put this hair up into a ponytail. For the most part, I leave it down just to enjoy the length of it. After all of that is said and done, I want to jump in and show you guys how I retwist.